Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. This is the final video in the I-29 series, at least for now. Our route took us west at Fargo, so we didn't get any video of the northernmost 150 miles of I-29 between Fargo and the Canadian border. However, the series may one day continue if we get back up that way and have time to take that ride. We start out in Richland County at mile marker 42. At exit 48, we see the eastern terminus of North Dakota State Highway 46. At the overpass, we'll enter Cass County. 8 miles to the west along Highway 46 is the city of Kindred, which primarily serves as a bedroom community of Fargo. Kindred was platted in 1880 when the railroad was extended to that point. The city was named for William A. Kindred, a local businessman and afterward mayor of Fargo, North Dakota. Kindred was incorporated as a city in 1949. As of 2019, Kindred had an estimated population of 781. So we're down to our final county in North Dakota on this series. Cass County is the most populous county in North Dakota, with an estimated population of 181,923 as of 2019. The county's population has increased by an average of about 20% every decade since 1970. Fargo, the county seat of Cass County, is the largest city in the state. That's where we'll be ending this video. The county was named for railroad executive George Washington Cass. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. At exit 56 on the big green sign, we see the name Wild Rice, referring to an unincorporated community just to the east. If you've been paying attention to the bottom of the screen, we've crossed its namesake, the Wild Rice River, twice in the last 20 miles. Horace, to the west off of exit 56, was the fastest growing city in North Dakota in terms of percentage increase between 2000 and 2010, increasing 165.6% over that decade from a population of 915 in 2000. In 2010, the population was 2,430, and the estimated population of 2019 was 2,944. The town was named for Horace Greeley, 19th century editor of the New York Times, who encouraged Western settlement with the motto, "Go West, young man." We enter the city limits of Fargo. Being the most populous city in the state, it accounts for nearly 17% of the state population. According to the 2019 United States Census estimates, its population was 124,662, making it the 223rd most populous city in the United States. Fargo, along with its twin city of Moorhead, Minnesota, as well as the adjacent cities of West Fargo, North Dakota, and Dilworth, Minnesota, form the core of the Fargo-Moorhead Metropolitan Statistical Area, with a population of 257,000 in 2020. Fargo is home to North Dakota State University, which has over 14,500 students. Fargo is a major transportation hub in North Dakota, being that it has the only junction of two interstate highways in the entire state. Additionally, U.S. Highways 81, 52, and 10 pass through the Fargo city limits, and US 75 runs through Moorhead just across the Red River. Fargo is served by Hector International Airport, which has the longest public runway in the state. The BNSF Railway runs through the metropolitan area as successor to the Great Northern Railway and Northern Pacific Railroad. Amtrak service is provided via the Empire Builder passenger train at the Fargo Amtrak station. Fargo is known for the 1996 film of the same name, which was not filmed in or near Fargo. One scene of the movie was set in a fictitious bar in Fargo, and the name of the city was only referenced one other time in dialogue in the movie. We conclude today's video at the I-29 I-94 partial cloverleaf interchange. We'll be heading west on I-94, but we've already covered that, and we'll be driving directly into the sun for the next couple of hours, so that'll be it for the Midwest for now. Thanks for watching this long series through areas of the United States that most people will neither have the opportunity nor reason to visit. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us in a few days for road trip number 618 when we return to Louisiana highways.